Look at me. Deep breath in and let it out. If you just tried to log into your Betterment account to check on your retirement savings, your hard-earned money, and you saw an error message, or the screen just spun and spun, I know exactly what just happened to you. Your stomach dropped. Your heart started racing. And the very first thought that went through your mind was, oh my God, has my money disappeared? Have I been hacked? Is the company gone? I get it. When you are retired, or you are right on the doorstep of retirement, your investment account isn't just a number on a screen. It is your lifeline. It is your security. It is your peace of mind. So when a digital wall goes up between you and your money, fear takes over. But I want you to listen to me right now. Do not panic. 9 times out of 10, a login failure has absolutely nothing to do with the safety of your money, and everything to do with a simple technical mismatch. Your money is still there. It is safe. So let's answer the question calmly. Why can't you log into Betterment right now? There are 3 major reasons this happens, and we are going to walk through them so you can figure out exactly which one is tripping you up. The first reason, and the most common one, is a simple, temporary server outage. Technology is wonderful until it isn't. Betterment, just like your bank or any other website, relies on massive computer servers to run. Every now and then, those servers undergo routine maintenance, or they experience a temporary glitch, and the front door to the website simply locks for a few minutes. If you are trying to log in and the page won't load at all, or it says service unavailable, it usually just means the company is fixing something behind the scenes. The second reason is all about security, specifically 2-factor authentication. Now, Betterment requires this extra layer of security to protect you, meaning when you log in, they send a text message code to your phone or require a code from an authenticator app. If your cell phone service is weak, or if the phone number Betterment has on file for you is old, you won't get that code. And without that code, the system will lock you out. It's doing its job to keep bad guys out, but unfortunately, it's keeping you out too. The third reason is a conflict with your internet browser or the Betterment mobile app itself. Over time, your internet browser, whether you use Google Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge, stores old data to try and load pages faster. Sometimes, that old data conflicts with a new security update Betterment rolled out, and the website gets confused, throwing an incorrect password or error message even if you typed everything perfectly. So, what is the actionable takeaway here? What are you going to do right now to fix this and get your peace of mind back? First, I want you to test the connection. If you are using your smartphone app and it's failing, go to a desktop computer or a laptop and try logging in through a standard internet browser at betterment.com. If you are already on a computer, try switching browsers. If you use Chrome, open up Safari or Edge. Second, clear out the digital clutter. If you are on a computer, clear your browser's history and cache. If you are on your phone, completely close the app, check your app store to see if the Betterment app needs an update, and restart your phone. You would be amazed at how many times a simple device restart clears the logjam. Third, if the system is telling you your password is wrong and you are absolutely certain it isn't, do not keep typing it in over and over again. If you try 5 or 6 times, the system will lock your account for 24 hours for your own protection. Instead, click the Forgot Password link immediately. Follow the steps to reset it safely. Now, if you have tried all of this and you still cannot get in, it is time to use the ultimate safety net. Pick up the phone. Betterment has a dedicated customer support team. You do not have to sit there in the dark wondering if your retirement fund is safe. Call them. Let a live human being look at your account, verify your identity, and tell you exactly what is going on. Your money is safe, your future is secure, this is just a temporary digital bump in the road. Take control, follow the steps, and stand in your financial power.